4th down and 4. And the snap here to Thompson. Little slip there, but he stays on his feet. Still moving forward. Keaton Thompson with a spectacular play as he will pick up the 1st down.
What a call by Bronco Mendenhall. I mean, basically, on your own side of the field, and what a play by Keaton Thompson. This thing's designed to go to the right, and he just decides on his own to bounce it back to the left. And Bronco Mendenhall's talked a lot about Keaton Thompson is playing because he's one of our best athletes. We want the ball in his hands because good things will happen, and that's a great example of why right there on the fake punt.
There's your final score. Virginia 44, North Carolina 41. Virginia was outgained by over 100 yards in this game, but they win it nonetheless.